Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you this great little card. What we are going to be using is we're going to be using a new stamp set, Tasteful Touches. I've showed it with the feather, and now I want to show it with this flower. And we are going to be using Flirty Flamingo and a Whisper White note card. So the first thing I'm going to do is ink up the flower with the Flirty Flamingo, and I'm just going to stamp that on the top twice. Excuse the washing machine. Thought I had enough time in here before it switched to the spin. And then I am just going to ink up the Just Saying Hello with Flirty Flamingo, and just on the bottom I'm going to place that. You've got a quick, easy card in less than 2 minutes. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is down below. I'd really appreciate you purchasing your Stampin' Up products from me and helping my small business. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.